Right guys, hope you're all well, and welcome to another video from Fish On. And this time we are on the river pike fishing it.
River.
Oh. So yeah.
There's a plastic bag just caught
Yeah,
me now.
yeah. Scotty's nearly got wiped out by a Tesco bag, which is funny. So what we're saying, Scotty? Are we going to catch? Are we not?
I don't know. It's new, isn't it?
Yeah.
Got to be in it to win it.
It's always nice coming to a new venue and getting off the mark and that. So yeah, it's nice. It's nice setting up at an Oster rig on the river. Yeah, quite enjoy the river fishing.
Those slack areas and see if there's a few pike.
We've been on the river for well before Fish On was created, to be fair. So yeah, last week we blanked, so hence no vlog. Well, I blanked, Scotty wasn't there. But Ford, team member Ford I was fishing with, he managed to winkle one out. Put the video up while we're chatting there. A nice wee one. A wee one.
Little baby.
Yeah, he had one on about 10 minutes before the fish that you're seeing now. But yeah, that was the only action we had, so it didn't even warrant a vlog.
Yeah.
So yeah, going to do a bit of roaming today, seeing as we're on the river. You know, it's the way to go on the river. Spend a couple 3 hours in one spot and then move to another one and try and find some. So that's the plan for today. I've just seen Scottish floats for the first time.
Just dip in and
yeah. It's fishing quite well, that is, mate.
That's what I'll do, isn't it?
Yeah. So hopefully all three of us can catch on this vlog. It'd be nice. And as we're doing this intro now, congrats to Russ. £24 1 ounce pike on a lure. I think he started at 7:30. Once he got that in, he was off at 9:30. Dropped the mic. Let's go back home.
Didn't need to fish anymore.
Yeah.
He can hang his rods up for the rest of the season.
Yeah, he was buzzing. So congrats, Russ.
Well done, fella.
Well chuffed for you. So yeah, nothing else to say really. We're going to give this a go and see what we can pull out. So yeah, as always, thank you for watching and supporting. I always say it in every video. And if you won't mind subbing, liking, comment and sharing.
And all that lovely stuff.
That'll be ace. So hopefully we'll see you in a minute with a couple of fish on.
Fish on!
Right, Paul's got a take.
Right, we're in Ford.
We are, it's only been
20 minutes.
Yeah, about that.
Right. That'll do us.
He's got it.
Only a little jack. But it's a good start on a new venue, eh?
Yeah.
Good start. Kind of hoping that'd be a big one straight out the gate there, but
It'll do.
it'll do. We're off the mark after 20 minutes. Like it. Imagine a 20.
I know. Was watching that. Well, I thought it was the float just holding the float
It
under.
just didn't come back up again though.
Yeah.
And then I realised then. Come on.
Yeah.
And she's in. First of many, fish on. Right. First pike from a new venue and first pike off the river, which is awesome. And I don't know, that's a lot bigger than I thought it was, Ford.
Yeah. It's got
6 or 7, matey.
Yeah, 6 or 7.
It's got a right gash. We'll have a look at that in a minute, but it's got a right gash that's healed up on this side, so whether that got done by a bigger pike early on its life, but
it's a nice fish.
lovely looking fish that, eh? Lovely looking fish. But yeah, I don't know, it might go 6 or 7 to be fair, but yeah, what a start, mate, what a start. Thought light stink as well, didn't she?
Yeah.
Thought light stink.
Get her back.
What a lovely start. Lovely, lovely start. Should have bought the underwater can.
Yeah.
Hope this is things to come now.
It's more than the other day already.
Yeah, mate. Beautiful. Fish on. Right, so then guys, we've had a bit of a move from that early fish this morning. It's been dead, hasn't it, matey?
Yeah.
Been really dead. So we're on a river, so you've got to roam about a bit and make it happen sometimes. So yeah, we're in another swim now. Give it about 30 minutes, 60 minutes in here and see if we can winkle one out. And then after that we'll move to another swim. We'll catch up with Scotty and yeah, and we'll take it from there. So hopefully we'll get another one on the bank for you in a minute. So fingers crossed.
Fish on.
Fish on. Yeah, pal. I think you just chucked that out, didn't you? And it nailed it. Oh, mate. Good angling, that, pal. Good angling.
Just bust out over here.
Yeah.
Don't see a load of bait.
Yeah.
So I took some dead bait over there. And then I thought, why not have a go with my lure as well?
Yeah.
First up.
Good bit of angling. I was waiting for you to get one, mate. Sweet. Let's get it on up then and we'll take some photos. Nice result that, Ford. Nice result on a lure.
Just saw it jump out going off the bait tip. Had a cast with the lure first.
Yeah. Lovely little fellow that one, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It's nice that is. And they fight like stink as well in this river, don't they? There you go. Beautiful, matey, that is. Beautiful.
Let's get some pics and get
Yeah,
it there.
yeah. The usual stuff in it. Oh yes,
Fish
oh yes, fish on. Right, should put her back then, mate. She's well rested now, ready to go. Beautiful. There she goes. Back in the net.
Fish on.
Fish on. Right, so unfortunately viewers, just coming around to see Scotty. I think that is going to be it. It looks lighter on the camera than it actually is. I think we've got about 15 minutes and it's going to be dark. So this is the outro. This is the outro. Scotty's got some fry feeding in his swim. But mate, that's looking like it, isn't it?
Yep.
Short but sweet vlog again.
Half of my stuff, we're just gonna get the
Yeah,
logs out in a minute.
yeah. I'm gonna have 10 more minutes, 15 tops.
There's a load of fry scattering, but can't see anything chasing.
No.
it,
Just it's that time of night, isn't it?
so. Yeah.
I've had it in my swim, but there's just nothing at the minute. It's
No knocks, nothing.
no,
at all.
no, it's quite dead. So unless something miraculous happens, this is it.
This is the end.
Another session done, Scotty. Another session done.
That is.
So yeah, hopefully we're going to get that big chunk on camera one of these days. It's a little bit frustrating, really, from the start
I think we
that
need
we
to
had.
invite Russ.
Yeah.
He's got the old
golden
lucky
balls.
gene right now.
Yeah.
So.
But anyway, we keep time on the bank. Will do it, and that's what we'll keep doing. We'll keep coming out, having the quality time together, eh, Scotty? Quality time. Anyway, so yeah, thanks for watching. If you dropped a sub already, thanks a lot. Thanks for the support. Yeah, sub, like, comment, share,
All that lovely stuff.
and hope to see you soon on the old bank.
Peace.